taking on the big shot and working hard to get you answers. Steve Andrews is Target 8.
Hundreds of tax notices lost in the mail. Will homeowners face higher property taxes? That's the question. Property tax bills went out at the end of October. Pay your bill by November 30th, you get this 4% discount. You know all about that. And that can mean a huge, significant savings.
Sure can. You should have received your tax bill last week, a notice at least, but a Wimauma woman did not get hers. And when she learned that dozens of her neighbors didn't get theirs, she contacted Target 8 senior investigator Steve Andrews.
And when I took a closer look, dozens turned into hundreds. 320 property owners in Wimauma did not get the bills that we all paid to send. Somewhere in the vast expanse of the U.S. Postal Service, it's Maureen Metzler's property tax bill notice. It, along with hundreds of others, is lost. What's the big deal?
It's important to me, and I think to other homeowners, because you get a big discount if you pay before November 30th. If you're new to the area, you might not be aware of that.
The Hillsborough County Tax Collector's office tells me roughly 455,000 tax bill notices went out October 31st. Maureen sent an email to neighbors asking if they received their bills. She showed me dozens of responses.
Did not receive our tax bill.
Right.
Didn't get mine either. Didn't get mine either.
Yeah.
Didn't get ours either. Both my sister-in-law and I never received ours.
The tax collector's office told Maureen all the tax bills went out. She called the post office.
I then got a return phone call from the Wimauma postmaster telling me that there was a problem and that he had started an investigation into the missing tax bills.
So she contacted Target 8. I found the tax collector's Nancy Milan working on a similar complaint from another Wimauma homeowner. Any idea how many might be missing?
At this point, no.
According to records obtained by Target 8, the county was billed about $76,000 by a private vendor, Genesis Direct, to print up and package tax notices. You also paid another $169,000 for postage, whether you received yours or not.
By Florida law, it does put the onus on the property owner to know that their bill is due. Genesis Direct laid the blame on the Postal Service. Target 8 contacted USPS on Wednesday. It has now located the 320 lost statements. This afternoon, USPS spokesperson Enola Rice told me that the missing statements were sent to the wrong postal facility. They'll be delivered sometime today. And that most of the 500,000 pieces of mail sent by the tax collector's office were, in fact, delivered. Tax collector Doug Belden told me this was just inexcusable.
This group is just literally lost in the mail.
Yeah,
it's out there.
limbo, yeah.
Aren't they scanning for this sort of thing? I mean, any explanation about how it could have happened?
Yeah, no. These weren't scanned. They were just misplaced. Now, if you have not received your tax bill, you can go to hillstax.org. That's hillstax.org. And find your information online. You can pay your bill online, too.
And can still get the discount.
4%.
Up until November 30th. Yeah.
All right. Very
Thanks,
good.
Steve.
Good information. Thanks, Steve.
Yep.
And if you have a problem you need Steve to investigate, call our Target 8 helpline. The number's on your screen, 1-800-338-0808.